Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency, specifically within the meme coin sector. The Solana-based WEN token has experienced a whopping 35% surge in the last 24 hours, and there are reports of a token burn after a recent airdrop. Let's dive into the details and unravel the mysteries surrounding WEN. First things first, the creators of WEN initially minted a massive 1 trillion tokens, reserving 700 billion for a 3-day airdrop. Out of these, a staggering 175 billion WEN tokens are set to be burned. Now that's a significant move, and it's not every day we see a meme coin making headlines like this. Now let's talk about WEN's recent performance. In the past 24 hours, WEN has shot up by 35.33%. Currently trading at $0.00014992. The trading volume has also seen a remarkable 73.67% increase, reaching $122.85 million. Interestingly, WEN has even surpassed giants like Shiba Inu in daily trading volumes, making it a hot topic in the cryptocurrency community. The WEN token is not just any meme coin, it's also a test run for Jupiter's highly anticipated airdrop. Nearly half of the whitelisted wallets have already claimed their tokens. Each qualifying wallet is entitled to receive around 643,652 tokens, valued at approximately $70. However, despite the excitement, the price of WEN is experiencing significant volatility, remaining down 100% on the weekly chart. Let's take a closer look at the WEN token airdrop. With participants potentially foregoing gains of $39 million at current market prices, it's a substantial wealth distribution initiative on the Solana blockchain. The eligibility for the airdrop was extended to over 1 million wallets through various criteria, including holding NFTs, owning the Solana-themed Saga smartphone, or engaging in crypto trading on the Jupiter DEX aggregator. Now, the burning of WEN tokens is what's really catching attention. If the claims for the total airdrop hold true, 175 billion WEN tokens are set for burning. However, if the claim rate slows down, this number could be even higher. The creators have committed to burning any airdrop earmarked tokens left unclaimed by January 29th. The final tally of claims will influence WEN's price and overall supply. CoinDesk estimates based on on-chain data suggest that at least 17% of WEN's total token supply may remain unclaimed. The claim rate has been gradually decelerating, with approximately 7,000 successful claims in the previous hour. The most active period was at the start of the airdrop, causing significant fluctuations in the market on Meteora, the liquidity pool protocol developed by Jupiter. In conclusion, WEN's journey is far from over. With the looming token burn, the finalization of claims, and the upcoming Jupiter JUP token airdrop, there's a lot to keep an eye on. What are your thoughts on the WEN token and its recent developments? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, happy investing.